Welcome back. Now news from sports. Sarvodaya Royals have taken a crucial 14-run lead against GCA Academy Stars in the GPL 3-day match. Resuming at 91 for 6, Sarvodaya's tail-enders managed to take their side ahead and bag a crucial 14-run first innings lead. In reply, GCA Academy Stars are 210 for 6 at stumps on day 2. With 1 day to go, their result seems very much on the cards.
Sarvodaya were in deep trouble on Tuesday evening when they were reduced for 71 for 6. But a quick flurry of boundaries propelled them to 91 for 6 at stumps on day 1. Resuming from there, the Sangay-based club needed 42 runs to gain first innings lead. The Sarvodaya batsmen did just that and ended up with 146 runs, gaining a 14-run lead before the GCA bowlers had them all out. In reply, GCA Stars have made a strong reply in their second innings and have gone to stumps on day 2 196 runs ahead with 4 wickets still in hand. A result looks possible on day 3. Here are a few highlights of day 2. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
It seems like petty politics in the tennis scene of the country is responsible for upcoming players leaving India to shape their careers. One such youngster is Porvorim-based Nikunj Siwach. The 22-year-old is now based in Germany and plays for a club there. Nikunj told Prudent his reasons for leaving Indian tennis behind for progress.
Back at his home, Nikunj practices on their private tennis court. Few years back, Nikunj won a lot of local titles at ease, but then Nikunj wanted tougher challenges and left for foreign shores after facing certain issues with the tennis authorities.
I was supposed to play the national games after winning the championships, but the association didn't give me the letter by which I could participate in the championship. So I then left for Portugal to play for the clubs there because I didn't see much future playing in Goa.
So as of now, you are not a Goan player, not an Indian player?
No, now I'm just playing totally in Europe because I'll be starting again in Europe and then I'll play pretty much the international tournaments. I won't be playing much of maybe I'll play the national championships in 2014 for Goa. Yeah, but that's about it.
What did you do then? Which was the year that this happened, that you had to leave Goa and go to Portugal? Which was the year that happened and what happened in your life thereafter?
It was, I think, I was playing juniors then. It was in the year 2006. Okay. So after that, I was supposed to play, but since they didn't give me the sponsorship letter for the national championships, I left for Portugal. And once I went there, the facilities and everything was so much better that I started living there and playing and training there itself. Okay. And then I got clubs there. From there on, I went to Spain, okay, where I had one really good international coach and was training with Guillermo Garcia Lopez. He's 20 in the world. So with him, I was improving really fast. So then I just stuck to there, and I got an international ranking then. But yeah, I was playing then. After that, I got injured, so I stopped for 2 years. But now I'm gonna start again, okay, and try and get back on the circuit.
What did it mean to you? I mean, going from here, going over there, obviously the level is different. It's a huge difference of level. Describe that gulf of gap that you might have felt.
Yeah, the thing is, first of all, they are better players, then they have much better training conditions, infrastructure, everything is better there. So it was once I went there, it took time to get used to it, but since I was training a lot here, I was at least physically, I was there to match up to the conditions of the Spanish players.
For future prospects in the academy that you are in right now, the league that you're going to be playing, could you shed a little bit of light on that in Germany now? What's your plan going to be like?
Yeah, right now in Germany, we are playing in the 4th league. Okay. So it's if we are going to try and move up the league this year. And the academy I'm playing for, we have many young players. They are all really good. And especially with our new coach Fabian. I think it's all going to be really good. He's really motivating and he really wants to take the team. Like earlier, our team had been stuck at a lower level for many years. But then as soon as he took over, he called me. Like they never had any foreigners until then. They only had like German players. But as soon as he took over, he called like a player from Holland. Then he called me. Then he's been promoting the youngsters in the club as well.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednikar from Porvorim.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.